So chapter 13, the last chapter, solutions. I normally make a joke about how I wish this was about solutions to all of our problems, but I won't do that this year. Oh, I just did. Okay, thirsty solutions. So I think most people know that if you got stranded at sea, you shouldn't drink ocean water, right? Of course, why would you want to? Because it's nasty, right? But if you're thirsty enough, it might be tempting. So drinking seawater, because it has so much salt in it, will actually cause you to become more dehydrated than if you didn't drink anything at all. We think of it as a thirsty solution because it draws water out of your body. Osmotic pressure, we will be getting to that, yes. So seawater is a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. There are two parts to a solution, a solvent and a solute. There's only one solvent. There can be many solutes. The way you define which is which gets a little complicated sometimes. The solvent is generally the one that there's more of, the major component, and the ones that there's less of are the solutes. So in ocean water or seawater, water is the solvent, and sodium chloride is the main solute, and then there's a lot of other solutes as well. So we can look at an illustration of seawater, and here's our water and our separated dissociated sodium and chloride ions. Nature has a tendency towards spontaneous mixing, and so we'll see that happen if we set up a situation like this where we have a tank of water and a divider here, and there's pure water on one side and there's salty water on the other side. If we very carefully pull that divider out, because we don't want to mix it up, but we just slide that out and wait, it will come to a uniform concentration given enough time. And that's spontaneous mixing. So if you drink seawater, this tendency towards mixing will cause solvent, water, to come out of your cells into the seawater. So here's your part of your digestive tract, and we're looking at part of your intestine here, and this is inside your body, and and this is technically outside your body. You know, you've got a hole going through you like a donut. So here's the seawater, and this spontaneous mixing is going to cause the water molecules to move into your intestine to dilute this and trying to come to an equal concentration. The cells in your body have semi-permeable membranes, and these are permeable to things like water and not permeable to things like sodium and chloride. So we can't have a situation where the sodium and the chloride goes into your cells because the membrane doesn't allow that. So in order to mix, the water comes out of the cell.